In this video, we will discuss working with a dataset for this course. Because many companies have different practices and different locations for their data, we need to discuss how you, the student, can get the dataset to work properly. The most important aspect for the dataset to work is for the working folder that is defined by Civil 3D to be set to the default location. If it is not, the dataset may not work correctly, especially when we discuss the topic, how to share Civil 3D data. So the first step to make sure your dataset works correctly is to place the contents of the working files folder that is copied to your desktop into a folder on the C drive called Civil 3D Projects. So just make sure you copy the entire folder contents into the Civil 3D Projects. And then we will discuss how to get it to work within Civil 3D. Let's discuss which folder you'll mostly be working with this dataset. If you navigate to the Civil 3D Projects, double-click Learning AutoCAD Civil 3D Infinite Skills, and then within the Drawings folder, the majority of the video course will be referencing the Drawings folder. Now, let's discuss starting Civil 3D. First, navigate to the Start menu, All Programs, Autodesk, and the version of Civil 3D you're working with, and then the dataset uses the Imperial icon stored in the Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D folder. As you can see here, I have copied it onto my desktop for easier access. Now let's discuss what you need to do within Civil 3D once you start Civil 3D. For the dataset to work, we need to define the default working folder to Civil 3D Project. By default, it is set to that, but if your company has its own unique set of standards and locations for data, it may be set in a different location. To set the working folder in Civil 3D, navigate to the Manage tab, Data Shortcuts panel, Set Working Folder. In the Browse for Folder dialog box, simply navigate to the C drive, Civil 3D Projects, and click OK. That will set your working folder to that location. One of the other items to note as well is the AutoCAD tabs as shown here. This feature was added in AutoCAD 2014 and is used to make it easy to navigate from one document to another. Since we will mainly be working in a single document in this course, and to save space and give us a less cluttered view, let's go ahead and turn them off by navigating to the View tab, Interface panel, and then toggle off the File tabs tool.